safe house.
Yeah, and there's gonna be 2 sand pits, one on the right and one on the left. We're gonna stop at the left. Yo, don't go into my lane. What are you doing? Yo, come on, it's being recorded. You're gonna make yourself look like a dumbass. Quad! No. Oh shit, I'm swerving! Alright, right here. What are you doing? Alright, now we're gonna do the quarter mile. Alright, just keep going straight. Can you please hurry up?